Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Bolt.new with Devin AI. In order to do so, here we are at Bolt.new and we're also at Devin AI. And according to AI, Bolt.new and Devin are both AI-powered tools designed to enhance and streamline the development process, but they serve different purposes and have distinct features. Bolt.new is an AI-driven platform that simplifies web development by enabling users to create and deploy applications without complex setups. It's particularly useful for rapid prototyping and UI development. The platform leverages WebAssembly technology to provide a browser-based development environment, allowing for near-instant project loading and changes. Bolt.new is ideal for developers who want to focus on creativity and problem solving without the overhead of manual setup. It supports a wide range of programming languages and frameworks, making it versatile for various projects. Bolt.new's token-based pricing model allows users to pay based on their AI processing usage, which can be very cost-effective for projects with varying needs. Devin AI, on the other hand, is an AI tool that focuses on enhancing collaboration and communication within teams. It uses advanced natural language processing to enable seamless interaction between users and the AI, making it feel like you're working with a human teammate. Devin is particularly effective for live project tracking and real-time collaboration, which can significantly boost productivity. It's designed to bridge the gap between human creativity and machine efficiency, making it an invaluable tool for teams looking to work more efficiently. Devin's features include intelligent responses, real-time communication, and the ability to adapt to user needs, making it a powerful tool for both technical and non-technical users. When comparing Bolt.new and Devin, the key differences lie in their primary functions and target use cases. Bolt.new is more focused on web development and rapid prototyping, while Devin is designed to enhance team collaboration and communication. Bolt.new provides a browser-based development environment with WebAssembly, making it easy to start coding immediately. Devin, on the other hand, is more about facilitating smooth communication and project tracking. And according to the difference that I found between the two of them as far as pricing goes, is that with Bolt.new, you can pretty much jump in right away and you can start building apps. And you are going to be given a certain amount of credits per day that you can use, and it really is quite generous in that regard. I was quite impressed by how quickly I was able to jump in and start developing apps, and I was able to create something pretty cool here, an AI Tools daily app. So I am already very impressed with Bolt.new. Devin, on the other hand, when I jumped in and started creating with Devin, I did find that there were some roadblocks to jumping in and getting started. It seems as though Devin wants you to be able to use Slack and GitHub, and also when trying to proceed with Devin to use it, you are going to run into a subscription paywall. So between the two of them, if I was going to recommend one over the other, just based on ease of entry, Bolt seems to have the door wide open so that you can go and you can start trying it out, and you can already start to create your own apps right out the door without having to run into many roadblocks. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look at the link in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you will find our top AI tool recommendations. Click on those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.